Oh my God. I've made a video, but while moving across country, I just had a little test campaign going on with Bing ads and ClickMagick, and I got a whopping $116 sell. I'm going to show you how I did it. Remember, this was $5 a day with Bing ads. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, how you can do it. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? I welcome myself back from an extremely long hiatus. I've been traveling. I moved my family across country from Kansas City to Georgia. I'm not going to tell you exactly where, but we're here now. So in this video, we're looking at Digistore24. There's a ton of affiliate platforms out there. You don't have to just use Clickbank. You don't have to just use JVZoo or Warrior Plus or any other type of known thing out there. In this case, I want to show you that you can make money using any platform to prove that these statistics, or that not these statistics, these techniques and methods work. And so for those of you who say that I haven't been making any money, or I can't make any money, or show something that makes money, here you go. $5 a day. This is a test campaign, and this is how you scale to things like $1,000 days. All right. So before I go ahead and get started, go ahead, smash that subscribe button under this video so that you can be notified whenever I add a video up. It would help me out as well because I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I got a few more months. I got like 4 more months, right? You guys help me out. That would be awesome. But go ahead, drop some comments down below. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is log inside of my account to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So hold on. All right, and this is my dashboard. I just started using Digistore as a test to see if this is something that can really work with ClickMagick and Bing ads, because I want to practice what I preach. And before I put a video up, I want to show you guys that something actually works. And here in my dashboard, you will see that I've earned $116.23. And if you look down the bottom, it says the month of August 2022. This sale registered either Monday or Sunday. Very recently, it would be, I think it's considered last week. But I'm just proving to you that this works. And what I did was I used a product called Metacore, and this is one of the top selling products out there, and it does very well. As you see on the bottom, you can see like it's an 85% commission, which is really insane. Earning per cart visitor $41.53. Cancellation rate is pretty high. I really don't want cancellation rates above 5%. So I kind of expect this person to ask for a refund, but at the same time, I don't. Because the way that my landing page is, that I drive traffic to, I make sure it's very thorough and that people know what they're getting into. And by the time that they watch the end of the video, if they purchase the product, they're a much more informed customer. Now, price average $192. That's about how much the person pays. And if they're paying $192, you can do the math. 85% of that typically is your commission. You got the $156 earnings per sale. I think that's what that comes down to. And so that's about, generally what you're looking at earning. So they have a lot of cool products. I'm looking to do this one next. This is a $1,000 product. I do have a YouTube course, a small little YouTube course that helps people hit their first 1,000 subscribers. And this would be my next level that I would promote, because I'm an affiliate marketer. I want to show people how to make money without me having to necessarily make a product. But this is a $1,000 product and it's 50% off. So as you see, Digistore has some pretty cool stuff. Look, mail enhancement. Y'all might laugh at this, but this is a huge niche, okay? Phenomenal. I'm not going to get into the details, but there's some people struggling out there, and The mail enhancement is a huge money maker. Now, you guys did not get on this video to learn about mail enhancement. You came here to learn about money. So you saw the $116 affiliate sale. What did I do? If I come over to ClickMagick, let me log in. This is a new interface. They're obviously doing some upgrades, which is, I'm loving it. They're taking their software more seriously. And so, by the way, if you don't have your ClickMagick account, please go ahead and use my link down below in the description. You should be able to get, I think, 14 days for free. And, use it up. If you're doing these techniques that I'm teaching you, you'll make that money back very quickly. If you go past the 14 days, I think it's something like $29 per month. It's really beans, especially if you're doing $1,000 days. So we're going to click campaigns. Now with my videos, I show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And one of my mistakes, I typically teach you how to use ClickMagick with something called tracking links, which is up here. I just started using campaigns, okay? And with my tracking links, you can track the keywords and all the other information that people use with Bing. And then when a cell registers, you're able to see what keyword produces that cell. Well, I didn't quite set up my links correctly. And once I do, I'm going to be making a video on that. Once I test it out and register another cell or something with Digistore and Bing ads, and it shows on here, I'll make a video about it. But for right now, like I said, $5 per day really isn't going to do a whole bunch. But what I did want to show you is I have some aspect of it working, and I haven't registered a cell because it is not registering. Obviously, I did make a cell, which you guys saw within Digistore, and I can see what people are using as far as the keywords that they're using to find my ads. Okay, this is pretty cool. I love it. Now, again, this is from another video. I'm not going to go into detail about using ClickMagick. This is not that video. I just wanted to show you the tool. If you're interested in learning how to use the tool, I have plenty of other videos, but you will notice it is tracking links and not campaigns. This is supposed to be easier. CPC, EPC, costs, all that stuff is supposed to show. So probably in the next video, I'll show you how to do that. But I just wanted to show you that very quickly. And then let me show you my Bing ad. Okay, $10 a day, not $5 a day. Let me go ahead and click Metacore Bing. Oh, this is only for desktop. Interesting. I didn't realize I was doing it that way. So when I created this campaign, I just created my campaign strictly for desktop users. I did all my keywords. I'm paying 75 cents per click. Let me go ahead to keywords and see what it's averaging out to be. Yeah, I got 75 cents on that as well. And let me see. Let me click ads. Okay, looks like this ad I'm averaging out to be 89 cents per click, even though I have 75 cents. However, there's a caveat to that. It doesn't mean that all of the ads is like all of the keywords averaging out to 89 cents. I'm pretty sure there's some high priced ones that is going well above 75 cents, and then some lower priced ones, probably 20 cents or whatever the case may be. Why am I showing you this? Because once we go through all of our information, this is called optimizing, we need to see what's working and what's not working. We need to remove the words that are getting clicks versus not getting clicks. So if I click devices here, this campaign is strictly for desktop users. The next campaign I need to do is just smartphones, because maybe smartphones convert better than computers. This is why it costs so much money to begin paid advertising and refining the process and profiting later on. If you're going to take this approach, it has to be long term. So let me go ahead and click keywords here, see what we get. If I hit search terms, I can see more things here. When it comes to losing weight, I can see match types. I can just get a whole bunch of data, right? So now I can compare Bing ads versus ClickMagick and stuff, and really just refine all of my information here. Alright, so I can see some things are getting clicks, some things are not getting clicks. So I can delete all of the things that are not getting clicks. Then I can also look at some of these things. Best way to alter hormones for weight loss. I can hit that, and then I can go add as negative keywords because I don't want that there, okay? And hit apply. Now, whenever somebody punches in that keyword, that should not come up for me. Boom, there we go. All right, it's in there. I don't want anybody looking for altering hormones for weight loss in order to find my product, because Medicort does not do anything with altering hormones. They're just not going to be interested. All right, and if you're interested in my ad, I'm just showing you everything. If I go ahead and click that, you'll see my landing page that I created. Okay. It's professional looking. I love it. And that's all I'm going to show you for now. So that's pretty much the gist of it. I did spend $400 in order to get that one sale. But if I would have tracked that sale with that keyword, is it really worth $500? I would say yes, because then I would be able to hit that keyword over and over and over again, knowing that it came from a desktop, not a phone, not a tablet or anything else like that. So this is something that is going to be refined. I make a lot of mistakes in making my stuff, and it's okay. A lot of gurus aren't going to show you what I'm showing you. I'm not ashamed. You can talk about me all you want to in the comments. I don't proclaim to be an expert or guru, but I do make money with what I do. And so take the good things of what I show you and then grow from there. All right, guys. So don't forget, I have a free Bing Ads course down below this video. Go ahead, click and join. It will show you how to get your first commission with Clickbank and Bing Ads. You'll also be using ClickMagick, so please go ahead and download that free trial. You will also find another product, which is my #1 recommended resource. I follow this guy named Yvonne Manna, a cool dude. I've spoken to him many times, and I find him as very credible. He has an official Bing Ads and Google Ads course, and he can help you make $3,500 per week, but you really have to apply yourself. So that link is also below. Then lastly, if you're interested in making up to 10 grand per month in 6 to 9 months using free methods that does not involve paid advertising, I have a link for that down below as well. This is kind of how I started my rise to fame, if you want to call it that, making good money online. Go ahead, join that little mailing list of mine. I shoot off information all the time, and you'll also see the system that I use for that. All right, so hit the subscribe button, drop me some comments down below, guys. I'm here in Georgia now. This was just running in the background, and I actually forgot about it running. So we'll be up with you guys later. Holla.